You say you want slow smoked chicken, but you're short on slow smoked time? Well, give me an hour and a half and an electric smoker, and we'll have some great tasting smoked bird ready to serve up with your favorite side dishes. Or chop it up to add some smoke essence to your greens or black-eyed peas. A huge benefit to using an electric over a wood or charcoal smoker is you don't have to babysit it, freeing up time you can use to do something else. What up with it, y'all? I'm your host, Mark Large, aka Vino, aka Foodie Sumo, and you are tuned into the Foodie Sumo channel, where I bring you video recipes of simple, healthy, great tasting food in single serving portions. Before we get to it, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the ding dong to make sure you're alerted whenever new videos hit the channel. With that out of the way, let's get to it. On our ingredients list, we have salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and cayenne pepper for a little heat. Now it's time to rub our legs down using about a teaspoon of all our seasonings. I usually go in extra with the black pepper, so always adjust the seasoning to your taste. Now we're gonna rough the bird up a little. Take a good minute or so to make sure we massage all the seasoning in. The paprika and cayenne should give the bird a reddish color. Let's get set up for the smoker. This is about a cup of pecan wood chips soaked in a container of water for about 30 minutes. These are our legs that have been brining in the fridge for 24 hours. These are the water and wood chip pans ready to get smoking. With the pan on the first rack, it'll take about an hour and 20 to an hour and 30 minutes to fully cook through at 225 degrees.
Hey. Oh.
Make sure you turn the bird over every 20 to 25 minutes to ensure it smokes and cooks through evenly. Enjoy with some sides you have ready to go, or throw it in your greens and black-eyed peas. That's a wrap. I enjoyed spending this time with you, my friends. I hope this video inspired you to get in the kitchen, try this recipe, experiment with it, and make it your own. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe so I can continue to bring you these video recipes and restaurant check-ins and reviews. Ish on.